Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free AI training, I'm going to be talking about EXA.ai, which is, as you can imagine, an AI search engine. And then I'm going to go over the actual dashboard. So this is what it looks like right here. And you have your different categories on the left-hand side here. So you're trying to get tweets, papers, news, company. You put your article, you put your prompt in, or whatever it is that you're looking for. It uses embeddings to understand meaning. And it explains all this on this page right here. Capabilities explained. This is kind of more of on the developer side, but they do have these frequently asked questions here. So let me go over this real quick, and then I'm going to do an overview of the dashboard and then go down that article with you. So EXA is a new search engine offering both proprietary neural search and industry standard keyword search. It excels in finding precise web content, retrieving clean, rich web content, and can even identify similar pages based on input URLs. These technologies make EXA ideal for enhancing RAG pipelines, automating research, and creating niche data sets. So one of the main questions is, Google search is mostly keyword based. So what makes this different from Google, which matches query words to web page words? For example, a Google search for companies working on AI for finance typically return links like top 10 companies developing AI for financial services. In contrast, EXA's neural search understands meaning, returning actual company URLs. Additionally, EXA's results are not influenced by SEO, unlike Google, other engines which can be affected by optimized content. This allows EXA to provide more precise and relevant results based on the query's intent rather than by keywords alone. So let me show you exactly how that works. It actually looks like this. So I'm going to go to the home page and show you what you'll see when you type it in your URL. When you click on the link, it'll be right in the tools and resources below. It'll take you to this page right here. Now at the top right, you have the use cases, you have the company information, pricing, docs, etc. But what we're going to do is just click on where it says use EXA search, and then it's going to take you here. Now I'm just going to use one of their pre-written examples here. So in this case, startups working on genetic sequencing, and we have the category on all. So as you can see, it gives me URLs. So here are the startups that are working on genetic sequencing. And because, as I was saying earlier, it's not based off a keyword, it's based more so off of the user's intent. So they deliver companies rather than a bunch of websites that can potentially be related to what you're talking about. Now, since we have it on all, this is what we're getting. If you want just papers, you can click on paper, and then you'll get all of papers talking about that very same issue, as well as tweets. If you exclusively want tweets of people who talked about that or tweeted it out, blog posts as well, and you can click on show more. You got PDFs, get personal sites, and you can even type your own. So, and then you can choose the publish dates down here, as well as domain filters. So what domains to include, domains to exclude. And I'll go ahead and go through that and explain exactly how that works. Now, what's particularly unique about this is it's a sophisticated tool that employs artificial intelligence to optimize your internet browsing experience. And it functions as a knowledge API specifically developed for large language models, organizing and filtering information from the web to provide precise and relevant responses to your queries. So to begin, just go to EXA's website. Once on the home page, click on Try EXA Search, as I just showed you, and it'll redirect you to the dedicated search page. Now here you can input any prompt or question, such as articles about artificial intelligence and its impact on society, and then click the search button. EXA will process your query, comb through the internet, and present a list of links that closely match your search criteria. And then you can use different search categories. A key feature of EXA is the ability to conduct searches within specific categories, enhancing the relevance and precision of your results. So for instance, if you wish to find information related to companies, you can select the companies category and put a query like top 10 companies in the field of AI. So you basically just click on this category and then you type that in. Alternatively, selecting the news category allows you to stay updated on current events, such as recent developments in climate change and renewable energy. And EXA AI also supports searches for PDFs, scientific papers, tweets, and even movie reviews. For example, you can locate a PDF version of the periodic. So for an example, a key feature of EXA.ai is its ability to conduct searches within specific categories, enhancing the relevance and precision of your results. For instance, if you wish to find information related to companies, you can select the companies category, as I showed you, and input a query like top 10 companies in the field of AI, and you just select that on the left-hand side here. Also, if you go back, you can make it so it's only using the neural, or you can have it use both. So whether it be you want keywords and neural networks, let me just go back real quick. You have the option to choose that here. So auto search, which chooses neural or keyword search, or if you just want to be neural searches, you can choose this right here. And it'll basically use the neural searches, what helps to understand meaning, returning actual company URLs. And since it's not influenced by SEO, you don't have to worry about results comes up only because it's been optimized for search engine optimization. And it all supports searches for PDFs, scientific papers, tweets, and even movie reviews. So for example, you can locate a PDF version of academic papers on quantum computing. By choosing the relevant category and entering your query, EXA.ai will deliver targeted results quickly. Then you have advanced search options to further refine your results. A time filter option allows you to limit search results to a particular time frame, such as the past year. Additionally, users can include or exclude specific domains to tailor their search results. So for example, if you prefer results only from reputable movie databases such as IMDb, this tmdb.com and imdb.com, you can set those as included domains while excluding others like twitter.com to refine their search outcomes. So in conclusion, EXA.ai is a versatile and powerful search tool designed to enhance your experience of browsing and locating information online. So whether your interest lies in the latest news, scientific research, or movie reviews, EXA.ai provides a robust platform for accessing high quality and relevant content. With its category-specific search options, time filters, and customizable domain settings, EXA.ai ensures a tailored and efficient search experience. So I encourage you definitely to explore and just kind of get a good feel for it. On the left-hand side, you also got phrase filters. So you can now filter search results by phrases in the title, the content, and even the URL. You can choose the number of results right here. And this is the domain filter. So it's a really unique platform. Be sure to check this out in the description. I have the frequently asked questions as well as EXA.ai. And also I have an artificial intelligence checklist you should check out as well. It's completely free. All you gotta do is just put your name and your email address in. It gets sent straight to your inbox, and it's going to help you to boost efficiency and your creativity. So as you're going about your artificial intelligence marketing campaign or whatever it is that you're using AI for, you can have this checklist right by your side and help accompany you as you're going about your day-to-day. So I definitely recommend that you check that out, as well as take a look at the tools and the resources below and the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I have everything that I included in this video, and I also have a playlist on artificial intelligence and automation. So you should be able to see that on my playlist tab, all right? So with that said, I hope you enjoy. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic, increasing sales, AI, automation, copywriting tutorials, search engine optimization, email marketing strategies, sales, objection handling, closing. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you're looking for more of that. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.